Hello there, I'm Egil, well-known warrior, trader, runecaster and just a chap on the make, I guess. Oh, before we get involved, don't forget to press on the bell there in the corner and please leave us a comment or two, and also if you want to subscribe, that'd be fantastic too. The story I'm going to tell you is a Gloucestershire fable, I'm told. The baker's daughter was an owl. Now that's odd. It's set in the past, as is most of these. Jesus was looking down from wherever he was onto the world and thought, you know what, I'm getting bored. You know, and he spoke to God. Dad, what? I want to go down on earth and have a look round, just for a break. Yeah, okay, enjoy yourself. Hey, don't forget, put a coat on. Okay. And Jesus started walking round. They did a good job on those trees. Oh, the air is so sweet and wonderful. Gloucester, I'll tell you what, as I'm around, I'll make cheese. You know, cheese? Okay. So he walked around and thought, you know what, I'm getting a wee bit peckish. Oh, you know, he said to himself. And I know just what to do. And he went over to this farmhouse where there was some baking going on. Morning, madam. What do you want? Well, I just thought maybe you could make me some bread. You know, I'm feeling hungry. All right. I ain't got any money. No, sorry, I don't carry money. Well, I suppose I'd best do my duty. And she picked off a piece of dough. Her mother came and said, what's that for? That's for the bloke out there, he wants a loaf. I ain't got any money, so I thought, that's too big a piece of dough. Oh, alright, how's that? Okay. Slapped it in the oven. And it started to bake. But it grew and it grew and very near filled the oven. I've never seen that before, she says. And out came the loaf, tapped it on the bottom. Jesus, he knew what was going on. And all of a sudden, the woman holding this big loaf went, "Away, away, away!" Just like an owl. And you know what? Turned into an owl. Now, what does that tell us? It tells us that don't mess with Jesus. Yeah? Don't mess with him. He's a decent bloke, but, you know, if that woman had just left that dough in the same size, who knows? She could have got a reward. Now she lives in a tree at the bottom of the garden eating mice. Which, you don't need me to tell you, is perhaps not the best career move in the world. Yeah? So anyway, that is a fable. Not a table, as I was told earlier on. Now, I think Braggy's coming back. Okay, I'll come. I'll catch you later. Bye.
Oh, there you are, Egil.
Oh, hello.
I've been looking for you.
It wasn't me.
You've been playing hide and seek again.